So everybody's back talking about Bitcoin. Everybody thinks Bitcoin is going to 1 million. What's going to happen next? All right. Don't worry. I'm here to break down the charts with you and find the next opportunities. So looking at the chart real quick, guys, the time to get in was way back here. All of the excitement right now, it's not even like the beginning of the bull. Like that was months and months ago. So the last time we did a video was right here where I told you, well, we have a buy signal here, but we can also drop, right? So we had something like this. So there's a little triangle, let's figure out if it breaks down or up, but we have a little buy signal here that our indicator just printed. So trend line was broken, buy signal was confirmed, up we went. Okay, so that was the trade. That was the last time we gave an update. Now, if you take a look here, okay, let me zoom in for you so it's nice and clear. If you zoom in here, there's a couple of things that you need to worry about. So first of all, our predicted top is, of course, this is a moving target, but it's at 38,000, okay, which is exactly the value we are right now. And if you look left, there's a bunch of support here at 40, okay. That is significant, all right. On top of that, it's printing this red bar here, which is telling us there's a lot of people taking profit. All right, that's what it means. A lot of people taking profits right now. So what do I believe is going to happen? I think this is definitely not a buying opportunity because there's no breakout. There's absolutely no breakout. Okay. Back here, yes, this was a great opportunity. This was the best opportunity, actually. All right. You had a break of the downtrend, a retest, and then a continuation. It even printed a buy signal down there at 25. So these are all things we covered. Okay, that great, amazing buy opportunity, fantastic. You're gonna make money, great risk reward, fantastic. But right now we don't really have anything. All right, since 30,000, we are just hitting resistance. There's really nothing. I mean, if you want to buy the breakout, I don't think there's enough meat on the bone to justify jumping into this trade. Okay, honestly, because what is the target? Are you going to target the all-time highs? It just doesn't make sense. The risk reward is just not there. Also, if you look down here, the market is overheated. It's expecting a pullback. Now, of course, sometimes this doesn't work out. Sometimes it's just a small pullback, like a 20-30% pullback. Sometimes it's more. So I try not to focus too much on that, but it is clearly overheated. It is an overbought market. And while it is not showing signs of exhaustion right now, I think it's not a great buying opportunity. If anything, it's a take profit opportunity. Okay. The only times you should be looking for opportunities to buy is when it is testing supports. So testing supports would be testing these lows, right? Testing these lows. So now let's say you understood this is a breakout. Okay. So okay, resistance, breakout. So the next, right, breakout. So if that is the way you are looking at this trade, which I'm telling you right now, I think it's wrong. The only smart opportunity is for a retest, okay, and then you buy. So retest back to 32,000, 32,000, that would be the smart play, right? But I don't think that even makes sense, all right? What I think is happening is we're going to round trip, okay? So I think we are maxed out here or at 40,000, okay? And I think we're going to have a little pullback. Now, how much should we pull back? I don't know, but this would definitely be a first consideration, okay? I don't think you should be looking to buy at 38, 40,000. That doesn't really make sense because you're buying the top, okay? you should wait for pullbacks and then enter, okay? If that's what you want to do, all right? Always pay attention to what's going on, okay? Do your analysis, do your research. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just me looking at the charts and giving you my feedback based on my experience. And this is just, how I trade, okay? So again, I'll only be interested in buying if we come back to 30,000 range, this area right here, okay? If we break below that, then, next targets are around 20, okay? But we don't have any confirmation of that right now, okay? The only thing that you can expect right now is look for rejections, a rejection pattern to be formed over the next couple of weeks, and maybe we finish the year red. Usually that's what happens, and that's what I'm expecting, okay? If you look at a standard deviation of what happens month to month with Bitcoin, usually it finishes the year with a drop, okay? So it is only likely that it's going to continue to do the same thing again instead of doing something different. All right. So that's the plan right now, guys. And I'll keep you informed of anything that comes up. All right. Subscribe for more videos below.